No, that's enough for you. You've had enough. Have a bit of apple when you finish with that. Have an apple. No, not interested in apple. All right, you insist. Got to find one that you haven't yet done anything to. Let me pick out the bad ones. That one's dead. That one's just a husk. That's just a husk. Yeah, there's one or two live ones still in there. Not interested in that? Oh, go for that one.
Oh, hello. Don't drop it. There we go. Oh, hello.
Oh, that was a pinch manoeuvre. Oh, that's interesting. This one holds it in his claw to eat it. The little finches are just so sweet. Wow, he was a beauty. Just, apple's too boring. That one nearly runs the right way.